Hello everyone. So if you want to enable WhatsApp notifications on your new Huawei Watch GT4, first of all, you're to make sure that you're connected to your Huawei Health to your phone. Now open up your Huawei Health, open up your Devices tab right here at the bottom. In your Devices tab, you are to locate your Huawei Watch GT4, so simply tap on it. Now scroll down to your Notifications tab. It's right here. Make sure that this switch is enabled. When it glows with orange, it's enabled, so we are getting notifications, any phone, any kind of notifications. And here you'll see the list of the applications. Now locate your WhatsApp, and to make the notifications from WhatsApp enable, simply tap on the switch near it, and that's it. Now they are available again. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.